everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. Robert and I have been out. There's Robert in my messy house that we're fixing to clean. I'm getting ready for Christmas. We got to get ready for Christmas. We've just kind of been yuck the last 2 days. Huh? Anyway, he's got to turn down the TV. Anyway, I'm going to do a haul. It's been a while since I've done one. And we spent, oh, it's in my jean jacket, the receipt, I think.
No, I got it right here.
Oh, okay. We spent 100 and what?
182 something.
We spent $182.15 at JoeV's HEB. Yes, we went there today. And we got some good deals. We saw some good deals, and then we didn't see some good deals. Give or take. Their produce section needs a little help on like their lettuce and their spinach and their accessory stuff to salads. I didn't look at the tomatoes or anything like that, but anyway. So I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we did.
Go.
Is it vaping?
Yep.
The red thing? Okay. So this is all we got. Show 'em. This is what all we bought for $182.15. Okay, we buy toilet paper at Home Depot because we really like it, and we got this for $3.47.
$3.97 and a
$3.97. No,
$3.97.
$3.87.
$3.87 and
$3.87 a piece. So
and at Home Depot it runs $14.50.
20, up to 20.
Up to $20. So we did pretty well there.
Yeah. Then I'm just throwing away all of my used containers that we put our food in because some reason the lids come up missing or the bottoms come up missing when it's the other. So I'm going to throw them all away and I'm replacing them.
Okay.
We're going to put these. They're round. And bear with me because I'm in the process of looking at the cost of them.
They're $10.97.
Were those $10.97?
Or $7.97.
No.
But anyway, they had
the rectangle ones were over there were $7.97.
Okay.
And these were $10.97.
Those were $10.97. And they had some incredible things, but this is their first week in business out there. Well,
it's their third week.
Third week. And
they haven't been real busy. There's people coming in and looking, and that's about it.
But they were crammed, packed full of people today, and they had some incredible buys.
This turkey was 27 cents a pound.
25 cents a pound.
25 cents a pound.
25 cents a pound for a turkey. And let's lift up so we can see it. And it's a butter ball. Flip it around the other way. Here we go. The other way. Okay, so we can look at it.
$3.31.
$3.31 for this turkey. And name brand butterball turkey.
And it's a young, so it's going to be juicier.
Yep.
They had the pineapples on sale for 67 cents.
Pineapples for 67 cents a piece.
The Skinner macaroni right there in front of you, 97 cents a piece.
97 cents. Let's do
those were 188 because they're normally like 4 something.
Yeah, they're 188. Yeah, because they're normally 4. They had
some cold brew tea.
Cold brew tea.
And that was $2.44.
And if you haven't heard of JoeV's, JoeV's is one of the HEB grocery stores. And it's brand new to our area, which is really cool.
Yeah. Then the meal prep containers behind the pineapple was $7.97. And I was paying, I think, $16 for less than that.
Yeah. I mean, there's a big old pack of them here.
I got some jasmine rice, which is right over there in front of you.
Yep.
It's $5.48.
Okay.
I got the aluminum foil for $1.37, and it's 25 cents off in front of you.
I got it.
Then we got some Colgate toothbrushes at 97 cents. 87 cents a piece.
87 cents a piece for toothbrushes. Change your toothbrushes out periodically. It's good for your health.
I got 2 of the, I went ahead and got them because I knew we were doing a haul. But the Rotel was 80 cents a can right here.
Okay.
Underneath the teeth. Okay, the red legs, which is that right there, the leg quarters, $4.97. Isn't that right?
Mm-hmm. And
I'm going to do those on the grill one night.
Okay.
And then the bath tissue. Then we got the sweet corn, and it's 90 cents. It's bought at $1.09 at Walmart. We already did the turkey. Christmas tree cakes were $2.57.
Where are they?
You put them behind them.
Oh, I don't know if you eat these, but we eat these during Christmas.
We love them.
Yeah. And how much were they?
$2.57.
$2.57. They're like $5 normally.
The smoked sausage was for was $7.67. I normally pay almost $10 to $12 for this. Okay, this is where it gets good. The turkey drums. I like smoked turkey drumsticks, and I can eat on this for a couple of days with the way I eat. And this gives me 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. That gives me 10 days pretty much. Okay, we got 2 medium pack of spare ribs.
Yes, okay. Take a look at this price on the spare ribs. These things were 67 cents a pound. This big rack of spare ribs, hold that thing up if you can. We're going to hold this big rack of spare ribs up. This puppy was how much?
$6.46.
$6.46. That's a big chunk of meat. And we got, well, they had a limit of 2 on them. And
so we got 2 of them.
So we got our 2.
And this was $6.60.
This was $6.60. And then
we spend $30 just about for a pork loin at Sam's.
It's Sam's.
We got this for $16.45.
So this is about half price.
And what we do with these is we cut them up into portions for pork chops.
For pork chops, yep. And then they had this thing, which was...
This is a boneless in pork shoulder butt.
Okay, and it was 67 cents a pound also.
And we got it for $12.95. This will give me probably 4 dinners for us.
$12.95. Now, take a look at the bacon.
Okay, the bacon.
I don't know if you bought bacon lately, but bacon's stupid.
And this is thick. It was $2.77.
$2.77 for the bacon?
Yeah.
Okay.
The holiday cookies and the ginger snaps were $1.27.
Okay, I don't know where they're at.
Right here.
Okay, oh yeah. Holiday cookies. It's the holidays, so you got to be in the holiday spirit. So
I got the Glade spray.
Glade spray.
$3.98.
Okay.
I got the 2 burritos for your lunch, Dumbo Freeze, for 97 cents a piece.
That's the old school, 97 cents a piece.
I got the vanilla flan for $1.44.
Oh, my flan?
I got the budding 24-ounce variety pack right over there.
Oh, for the budding?
$9.97. And it has how many 3 in there?
It's got ham, turkey, and roasted turkey. And that's the big thick one.
So that's like a little over 3 1/4, 3 1/2, or something like that for each. And that's about...
It's 24 ounces, so it's a pound and a half.
No.
What?
The division, $9.97 and 3.
$3.34, $3.33, $3.32.
So it's cheaper to do it this way than it would be the other way.
All right.
We got the sandwich bread for 88 cents.
Yeah, if you haven't seen bread lately, it's $3 a loaf somewhere around here. These loaves of bread were at 88 cents a piece.
Okay, and the jasmine rice was...
You already did jasmine rice.
Did I?
Yep.
Okay, and the Lunchables were 90 cents.
At work, I'll have a quick one of these snackables just to take the edge off, especially when I'm not super hungry. But these were, what, 90 cents a piece?
97 cents.
97 cents a piece, which is not great, but it's not bad. I mean, sometimes Walmart will be that way.
The Kraft mayo was $4.47, but I got $1 off of it.
Okay, so this turned out to be $3.97, $4. You go to Walmart and this thing is $8 for this jar of mayonnaise. At least it isn't the Walmart at our house.
The bag of potatoes, it was 5 pounds for $3.97. That was a fairly good price.
Yep.
So, and the pork steaks over there with the bone in.
These?
Those were
$5.82.
And that is our haul.
That's our haul. And
So we got some good deals. We got a lot of meat for the price that we didn't expect we were going to get it for.
This is
now
what
I get to go find a place for it.
This is what we normally go to Sam's for once every couple months.
Yeah, because I buy the big package of the Lunchables.
I can't tell you, you cannot buy any kind of meat. I don't care what it is for 67 cents. In turkey's what, $1? Over $1 now a pound, and they had it for $1/4 a pound. And name brand Butterball is a good brand, so we were like, yeah, all right. But that's our haul for Joe V. Anything you want to do anymore?
He messed up my whole table.
I did.
He messed it up, guys. Now I have to restock it and have him take a picture of it. Anyway, that's it for my haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope this gives you some ideas about Joe V. We are in Irving, so this was the HEB over off of.
This is Story and 183. Story and 183. It's brand new, been open about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And Joe V is a division, I guess, of HEB grocery stores. And they're building an HEB, a regular one, up in Las Colinas, which is about 5 miles from us. But this is our first one, and
we're not too bad, too shabby, because we're stocking up our freezers because we've got taxes and stuff coming on. And so this, like the canned goods and stuff, this will carry us over into March or April.
Mm-hmm.
And then that way we don't have to worry about food because the taxes are due. So, and that is my haul.
There's our haul. See you later. What?
I hope y'all enjoyed it.
I hope you did too.
I hope this gives you some inspiration to go check it out. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.